Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's January 23rd when I'm recording this. Hope you guys are doing well out there, and figured I'd give you an update on the $25,000 account that I opened. And I find this to be really interesting. Number one, I think I did pretty well with our stock picking because if you guys remember, all of December was a pullback in the market. And look at my account. It kept going higher even though the market pulled back. Now, what's really kind of interesting is that the peak of this at 64,000. So remember, this started at 25. We are, what was this, 120%? I'll have to do the math on that. But you can see that that was the peak of January 6th, and then the market decided to pull back one more time after a month of already pulling back. And so I think what happened here was I had a couple large positions that were doing well throughout December, and then finally they decided to pull back at the basically in the new year. So that kind of threw me off a little bit, but you can see we're recovering in through here. And then I actually took another screenshot of what it is right now. So basically call that 60,000. Yeah, I can even take a screenshot right now. Here, I'll just do this. This will be fun. Show you guys. It just clicked over because the market's still moving. Look at that, $60,000. And so we're coming right back up to the all-time high for this account. So yeah, we're doing great. The market's having a good time. Clearly with this pullback and then spring up, we have had just an absolutely fantastic time with this, and we nailed the bottom right here with the what is it? The CPI report in through there, and then we made 412% on a call, a 1 DTE call right there. And then in through here, we sold a call, put credit spread for 96%. And then we actually sold an iron condor today and made something like 90% on that one too. Like we just, as I was about to hop on the mic, we closed out the call side, the short call, which was a 61.10. We closed it out for like 50%. So yeah, we could have done a little bit more, but man, I'm so glad that we just closed that out because look what this thing did. Those calls, I'm looking at them right now, the 61.10s, crazy enough, we sold them, we sold them for 80 cents, we bought them back for 40 cents, so we made a 50% profit on that. They are going for $8.50 right now. That is absolutely wild as far as what just happened there. Wow, talk about an interesting close. Holy moly. So yeah, really interesting. This market just won't stop. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking at. And as far as talking about stuff that won't stop, we have been having a great time with the nuclear names. So these things are absolutely up and fantastic. Something like OKLO from when we've been discussing it. This thing is up 56% in about a week. SMR, we're in this one, and this one is up 41% in a week, and all sorts of these things. NNE was another one. Now I got to tell you, this was another one where I'm dabbling with some options on this stuff. I actually bought. So we've been trading this one for quite some time. I bought an option. It was April. I think it's an April option, so like 150 days or something like that. Look how long this thing took to finally do something. I have 84 days left on this thing. We finally get a pop, and right there is, I got 360% from that option. I decided to sell a couple of them, cash some stuff in, but I think these things got more room to go. And look at the volume on these things. So yeah, nuclear is doing absolutely fantastic. Very, very happy about that. And NNE, gosh, let's just say we're across the hourly 50. You know, it's up 73%. So yeah, some really big, solid stuff happening out there in the market. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I hope you were being aggressive with this market. This is the kind of stuff that is really working well for me. The Moxie room is absolutely loving it. We're lighting it up. The room is growing, and we've got all sorts of people talking in the chat room. So I really hope that you guys are being aggressive with this market because we are. And I almost struggle trying to touch all the water. I want to trade all the names because there's so many names that are doing well right now. So I hope you guys are enjoying that. And come on over to the Moxie room, simplertrading.com/Moxie, and then you guys can join in on the fun too. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.